Hi, welcome back. Going to review my very first video on this channel. Come join me and let's take a look. My name is Patricia with Regier Educational Services. Here is my channel, and I have here the intro video, popular upload, Zoom, different playlists. Maybe that is the right one. Okay, this is my very first video on this YouTube channel. So I'm introducing myself and we'll take a look. Forewarned, as you can tell with this small square, I was using an older laptop. It wasn't terribly old, but it was an older laptop, and just the regular webcam that it came with. So picture quality, especially with widescreen right now, isn't as great. The sound isn't the same, but bear with me and let's take a look.
Hi, I'm Patricia with Regier Educational Services. This video is to tell you a little bit more about me. I am passionate about providing quality adult education and being intentional about ensuring that the learning experience is positive for everyone. I chose my logo because I love to see the light bulbs go off for people during that learning experience or event, when they have an aha moment where they built upon the knowledge that they already knew and something new has happened. Learning should happen in a safe and respectful environment. Everyone brings knowledge and experience to the educational session.
Just going to pause it for a second there. So, you know, it's interesting looking back, and this would have been, I have to check the date, probably around May 2017. And all of those values I completely still have. And it's validating the vision that I started with at that time, even though it's been quite the journey between then and now. I still have all of those focuses. You will notice too, at that time, for a backdrop, I decided with the books and things, I actually had my chair lower. Now I got to bring it back up again. So, you know, positioning and everything, I've come a long way with the camera. I'll stick a picture here of the camera that I'm using now, webcam and mic, which makes such a difference. So let's keep listening.
I've learned how to cultivate community in any group or workplace setting. I love lifelong learning, whether it's through travel, new experiences, informal or formal education.
So part of the beginning of my journey, I had a variety of different focuses that I could have gone into. Leadership, you know, my focus definitely was always going to be on training, but I've come a long way with understanding what my niche and focus should be for really serving, and that is online learning, especially bringing your in-person workshop and training, bring it online, how to be engaging online, Zoom in particular, training facilitators and supporting through that experience. So and I noticed too that this video right now, because it's introducing me, it's a lot about me. So I've come a long way too, that my videos are about you. What do you get out of this? Why are you watching this video? And so some of my reflections and critiquing of myself is going to be for your benefit.
I believe that something can be learned from every experience. I actually like change and thrive in new contexts. And I bring creativity and an innovative mind to see the big picture and the details necessary to support your workplaces or community groups with your learning and program needs. I invite you to contact me to see if Regier Educational Services is the right fit for your organization and for what you're looking for. Thank you and have a great day.
So it's so interesting to look back at that. I was even getting used to saying Regier Educational Services. It was such a unique new place to be at. So it's interesting to look back, and I appreciate you looking back with me. Now too, I end with saying, so I've come a long way with things just rolling off the tip of my tongue, you know, or whatever the saying is, being able to share who I am and how I can serve and support you. Some takeaways from this for you is, and for myself that I'm reflecting on, is we all start at the same place. We're starting where we're starting. And we can't always leap ahead forward to where, you know, how comfortable I am now on camera, the tools and equipment that I use now. It's okay that I didn't start where I am now at that point, because I wouldn't get to this point if I didn't just do it and get on camera, put myself out there. Things don't have to be perfect to still have an impact and still make a difference and be of value. So that's my encouragement to you, to just jump in whatever you're doing, creating, learning. There's always a learning curve, and we grow as we go through things. So thanks for looking back at my very first video. I'm going to do a series on some of the content, instructional videos, and you know, my first tips and advice that I shared with those early videos. Take a look. Do I have additional tips since then? So I welcome you to join me in this series of looking back at some previously created content and adding to it today. Thanks again. My name is Patricia with Regier Educational Services. Welcome you to comment below any videos and topics that would help you. And as always, your likes, shares, comments, and if you subscribe, it means so much to me. I've come a long way since that very first video of having absolutely nobody subscribed to now. And I would love to have that grow, mainly because then I can reach and serve more people. YouTube recognizes more subscriptions, which is free. It just means that you want to know when videos come up on this channel, and it's not through an email, it's just a notification on your YouTube. It lets people know these videos are of value, check them out, and I invite you to check out these additional videos. Thanks again for participating in this with me. And until next week, I hope you have a light bulb learning moment today and that you're able to facilitate those for your participants. Thank you so much. And until next time, I hope you have a great day.